This 2010 Keystone Montana Mountaineer 324 RLQ is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Milford, Delaware, 19963 and is offered for sale by Delmarva RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Keystone is 35 feet 11 inches in length and features sleep 6, leveling jacks, stovetop burner, water heater, air conditioning, microwave, external shower, spare tire kit, carbon monoxide detector, LP detector, awning, and 67 gallons fresh water capacity. The unloaded weight of this 2010 Keystone Montana Mountaineer 324 RLQ is 11,039 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.